Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Chess application using your mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, go ahead and launch open the Chess application on your mobile device and log into your account. After you're signed into the account, from the home page, tap on the More button at the bottom right hand corner. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on Settings on the next page. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Account. Now click on the Password button inside the Accounts page. Go ahead and enter your current password you are using for your Chess account in the first tab, and then write down the new password you would like to change to inside the new password box. Next, confirm the new password by re-entering it again in the last field. Finally, after you are done, tap on Change Password. You have now changed the password for your Chess account. Make sure to use a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. That is how you easily do it. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech for Gamers for more tutorials like this. I will see you soon in the next video.